How's it? Welcome to Crypto Corner on Goose Max Hawaii channel. So here's Mongoose Max Hawaii. This is my channel here. The different various videos. Some Shakespeare, some mostly like news stuff, trying to make parodies. But you're welcome to come and like, subscribe, and all that. Please subscribe. But this is Crypto Corner. And this Crypto Corner... Alright, this is for Oduwa Kingdom, the people who have Oduwa coin. Because that's my feature coin, because that's the coin I'm invested in. And that's also a disclaimer. And also a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever you do with your coins, everyone to their own responsibility. Now, in this video, I just want to show you, I took a little excursion because I have my mining wallet on a small Windows operating system, and I wanted to upgrade it to the IVIE improved blockchain, of course. And I went through all the instructions and I got it going on, and it's syncing it up, and that's that. But on my Macintosh, I have a MacBook Pro, an old one. Okay, vintage, museum quality, museum heritage MacBook Pro, old one. Now, I had a mining wallet and something went wrong. I don't know what, but I think I might have been able to save the DAT, D-A-T folder. There's just a few coins, not a lot. So I decided to try to download the IVIE Mining Wallet of Oduwa Mining Wallet onto my MacBook here. So it's a Mac laptop. So I went through all the little things. Now I'm not saying that this is how it's done, okay? I'm just showing you how I was able to scoot around and do it. Because my machine was a little funky. Yours might be too. This is just to show you a little show and tell. I got it on there. And so, here's that. Oh, wait. Before I go, up here, Oduwa coin, I have a link in my thing. You can just go oduwa.io. This is where it all begins. And it has the instructions. So I go to the main page. Click on the letters, not the picture. Click on the letters. I had a Mac, so I'm clicking on that. It goes to the same thing though. And if you already have a mining wallet, you're doing the bootstrap, you're deleting these little things, but not your wallet DAT. Don't delete that. But these three, delete those folders, and you download your bootstrap, and then you're updating your old mining wallet to be connected to the IVIE improvement blockchain. But if you don't have a wallet at all, then you just find your program. Are you Linux? Are you Mac? Are you Windows 64-byte or Ubuntu or Windows? I think it's the 32, etc. Okay. So my other one, I did Windows. That's Windows 64. That's the other computer. But this one is the Mac one. I press this, it downloads a zip file, and so we'll go from there. I just restarted the laptop, so I lost the beginning part of this, so I'll recap. I noticed I have a DAT file here from when I loaded an Oduwa wallet, mining wallet for Macintosh. The mining wallet was, quote, corrupted or couldn't be opened, and I'm not sure how I was able to get this out of there, but in my applications would have been over here, and it's not there now because I erased it. So I erased it. So then I had the DAT file and no wallet now. Then I went down to Oduwa.io, clicked on Mac. So to go back, it's the Oduwa the main website. Here, recognize. And since I have this operation system, and it goes to this GitHub. Let me reload the page. There it is. This is for the update of the wallet you already have with the bootstrap right there. These two are the same. So to upgrade your wallet, so you keep your wallet address, you only delete those inside your old wallet. Don't delete your mining wallet or wallet DAT file. That's what that is, I think. So I went down here, Mac zip, because this is a Mac. It downloaded a zip file. I extracted the zip file. I went to my security, which is up here in system preference, which is this basically. This is system preferences. And over here, security. I went in here and it would say, oh, this, we're not allowing you to download this. Where is it from? It's from the outside because it's not from the App Store, or it's not. So I had to physically give it permission and say allow. The button was over here. And then it extracted the Oduwa Coin Mac zip, which is this. And then I opened up the zip. And I got the program. You can tell DMG ending is a program for Macintosh or Mac. If it was Windows, it would be some EXE or something like that. So here's the coin wallet. It is not, as you see in my, because once you download a recent thing, it creates a icon. It would be in the latter part of the thing. So I opened this up and it said you need to reboot your computer. So I'm doing it again after rebooting and losing my recording. And that was the recap. So here it is again. This is the Oduwa Coin. This is the file. I already gave it permission, so it's not showing up here in the security. So let's see what happens if I just open this. Oh. See, it's like it. It's like something's plugged in. It's like an attached folder. It's not. I don't know what it's doing now. It's not doing anything. Let's see what I have it done. Security. It's not showing up there. It's not doing anything. That's not open. Okay, I'm gonna try something. No, I don't know if I want to try that. I don't know, instead of really experimenting. Okay. So I extracted another one. It's the downloads. It's not showing it there. See, it extracted again. It just added a 2. Document 1 could not be opened. Finder cannot open files in volume format. Ugh. So I think now what I have is this one is a DualCoin. This is DualCoin 1. This is the first one, so DualCoin 2. So these two right here are the second iteration. I'm just going to put that in the trash and empty it. Notice the first wallet I had erased it from the applications earlier. So here it is. Here's the zip. This came out of the zip. Click on this, you get this. Click on that, it's in volume format, and this Finder, which is what it's opening right now, cannot open it. So what I'm going to try to do here is sort of here's the application folder. I'm going to put it in there. This might not be the best thing to do. It's in there. Hold on a second. Doesn't even, no, that's not doing anything. Alright, so it didn't really even go in there. Oh no, it did go in there. So, there it is in the application folder because I just moved it in their brute force style. I open up that. Let's see if it opens up. Is it? It's an application. Actually, I'm going to move this. Let's see if the application works. There we go. It's in there. This is just that. So if I go, I guess it's just a clever way of opening up, but cannot be opened because it is from an. So if I go into security, system preference. My system preference. Oh, it's down here. There's also essential. Okay. Lock the preferences. Click on that. And try it one time. It's damaged or incomplete. Something's up with this. No. Not successful. Opened. No. Alright, I'm gonna put these in there and save till I figure that out. This is a addendum to previous recording. It showed up Oduwa coin was blocked from opening because it was not from an identified developer. It says open anyway. If I press that, click to unlock. So I have to use a different thing and unlock it, then open anyway. And it's not doing it. Why is that? Ah, it's incomplete. Ugh. Okay, I put these down here. They wouldn't actually go in the folder. Okay. So here it is here. Moving it over there. Replace the one that's in there in the application. So this is the replacement one. And identifier. Open anyway. Okay, open anyway. Open. And finally, it's opening. Do you want the application to accept incoming network connections? Yes, allow. Oh my goodness. Well, there it is. The IVIE wallet on Mac. What a little adventure. And now, since I don't have the bootstrap, it's going to be taking, I don't know, by the time the Olympics open up in Japan, it'll be synced. Aloha. And that's it. That's the show and tell. I don't know if this is helpful, but it might give you a little bit, I don't know, but be careful what you do. Just don't delete your wallet DAT file if you have an old wallet. Just that's the one to save. If you got coins, that's where your coins are. And tech can help you. And this isn't like a how-to, but it's like a show you how I actually got the... I have a funky laptop, remember. Yours might go smoothly. It's all that allowing it to go with the securities and putting it into that, or getting it into that applications area where it can open up. Anyways, thank you. Till next time, aloha.